Hello, this is Yoonjae. In this video, I'll introduce my Max for Live visual device, Screen Noise Generator. Screen Noise Generator is a Max for Live device based on the visual programming language Jitter. This device generates various visual effects by distorting the display's pixel data. It features 3 built-in noise algorithm layers, which can operate in parallel. The final layer can also be switched to feedback mode. This device can receive data such as MIDI and OSC through various devices. It can be linked with controllers, motion sensors, etc. It enables audio-visual interactive work by interlocking the same data values with other MIDI effectors and audio plugins using Ableton. Screen Noise Generator has 3 main knobs: gain, speed, and feedback mode speed. It's also possible to manipulate such as noise attribution, presets, zoom scale, input source, etc. In this section, I'm trying to introduce various functions and how to manipulate the device. Initially, you can select and drag the image file that you would like to use as a background source. The source will be distorted by the noise later. Also, you can drag and feed the right section, which is a source for the feedback mode. You can also change your main source with cameras by selecting Cam mode on the rightmost button. You can switch any input camera sources, whatever you want, as long as it's linked to your computer. Next, you can change the noise gain with speed to distort your source. Each noise generator is connected in parallel and created various visual effects. Now you can see the screen is distorted with various shapes. These 3 parallel connections can make intricate patterns of noises. You can also change the noise preference by selecting the attribution of each. It mainly has resolution values at the bottom side. Also, you can store multiple attribution types of values in presets. The preset will facilitate your visual cue when you are performing. Lastly, the feedback mode generates noise feedback from a recursive circuits of the jitter signal process. The feedback noise can be switched with third generator of the device. You can change the mode with the button in the feedback mode panel and initiate the feedback with the circle button. The feedback of the distortion will fastly or slowly evolve according to the feedback speed, creating the illusional effect. You can control how deep it will interfere with the main display by controlling third gain knobs of the main. In terms of the basic principle of noise displacement and feedback algorithm, I reference a couple of other YouTube instructions and papers, which are specified in my video description. Now, I'm going to briefly show you how I connect this visual device with other sounds devices in Ableton Live. First, map the controller knobs to the parameters you want to control. Map the controller and see if it's working correctly, corresponding to your controller moving. Next, explore various ways to map your sounds device that can create sonic changes that correspond to visual changes. In this example, I mainly create an audio-visual correlation by linking the phaser's feedback gain with noise gain and modulation frequency with speed. But beyond that, I have also used several other mappings to work on my audio-visual piece. The possibility is infinite, can be explored with this device by creatively mapping the sounds with this visual device. Lastly, I will briefly show you the sample performance I performed with this device.